Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I have done anything on my 4Runner. Just been too busy. So lately what I have done, I'm going to show you guys in a minute. What I have done is I've changed the stock wheels for TRD rims, Tundra TRD rims, 20 inch. And I'll show you the specs of the tire and the wheel. Right now what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to add some spacers to the setup. I want to see how they look. They're not going to be a permanent solution. I just want to kind of ride it for a little bit, see how it looks. The ones that I'm using is, I put a link below. So I'm going to install those, add the spacers, and going through the process, see how it looks, all right? Lift the truck, lift it, took the wheel up. This is the wheels that I'm using that I was telling you. Those are 20 inch Tundras. Original 20 Tundras, and I'm using a 275. I don't know if you guys can see it, it's on the other side. All right. I'm using 275 60 R20s on this one, just to give it a little bit more of an aggressive look. So now what I've done is I have removed the wheel. I'm gonna put those spacers. They come with a lug nuts, they put it in there. So what they ask you to do is make sure you remove them, clean it, put some Loctite, drive it for a little bit, and come and check. They look pretty good quality. Again, it's not going to be a permanent solution. I'm a little freaked out about the spacer, so I'm just going to try it for a little bit. I am going to be checking this periodically, just to make sure that they're well secure. One of the things that I found out about the instructions is the instructions doesn't tell you the torque that you need to be putting in this. So I'm gonna do between 90 and 100. That's what normally you use for the lug nut. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So right now, so far, I removed the tire, clean it, and I'm just gonna apply the lug nut, and then I'll walk you through the steps. All right, so I put them in Loctite, make sure they kind of fit perfectly on the hub side part of it. Lug nut, secure them with a special, this one is in a 19 inch, and I use, I don't know if you guys can see, but I use 100-pound torque. Then I come back and check and make sure those lug nuts are secure. So now from here, I just have to add the tire, and we should be good. I'll show you guys the difference between the one with the spacer and the one without the spacer. Okay, so I have finished getting the tire on. I'll also use the opportunity to replace the lug nuts from silver or chrome to black. This is the final product. They are sticking out a little bit, so as you guys can see, this is what is sticking out. All right, gonna go to the other side, and that's how it looks. So definitely it's giving it a little bit more of an aggressive look. Just a quick recap of everything that I have done. Remove the tire. Make sure you clean everything before you put the Loctite. Insert the spacer, put the Loctite, insert the spacer, secure it. I use 100-pound to that one. Once I secure it, I put the wheel back in, tie those lug nuts as well to 100. That's pretty much it. All right, I just need a couple more to go and be done. I'll show you guys when I'm done with all 4. All right, so all done. What I was showing you, this is how I look. As you guys can see, the tire is sticking out a little bit, so I like it. Now for the front. So that's how much the tire is sticking out. Alright. Let me know what you guys think.